Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best soldering iron is probably one of the most crucial tools in any electronics enthusiast's or professional's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right soldering iron can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of soldering irons, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. Soldering Iron Kit, 80W Digital Solder Pen. This soldering iron boasts an upgraded 80W power, allowing it to heat up rapidly in just 20 seconds. It offers precise temperature control with a range from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for various projects. The high-definition LCD screen clearly displays the temperature, eliminating guesswork. This feature ensures you can easily find the right temperature for each welding task. Designed with 4 ventilation holes, this iron provides superior heat dissipation. The heat-resistant handle ensures comfortable and safe use, even during extended periods. This kit is versatile, suitable for circuit board repairs, appliance fixes, jewelry making, and DIY projects. It's ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. The kit includes everything you need to get started: the soldering iron, multiple tips, a stand, solder wire, flux paste, and a sponge. It's a great gift for anyone interested in soldering. What we like. This soldering iron boasts an 80W high power output, ensuring rapid heating and efficient soldering. It also features precise digital temperature control, allowing you to dial in the perfect heat for any job. If you are a beginner or someone who needs a complete kit to get started, this is the perfect choice. It includes all the essential tools and materials, making it easy to dive right into your projects. What people say. I love the temp control, heats right up, quickly, no problems at all. Very quick warm-up and temperature display is excellent. It's working as expected, heats up pretty quick, and let me down so far. I'll update if I have any issues. Number 4. YIHUA Y1010NA 70W Digital Soldering Station. Introducing the YIHUA Y1010NA. This digital soldering station is designed to make your work more efficient. It's 40% more powerful than previous models, helping you finish your projects quicker. The Y1010NA features a high-performance 70W soldering iron. It comes with a heat-resistant silicon cable. This design ensures safe and comfortable handling during use. Enjoy temperature stability with +4 degrees Fahrenheit 2 degrees Celsius and temperature lock. This feature protects both the tips and your components. It ensures consistent, high-quality soldering results every time. The YIHUA Y1010NA is packed with cutting-edge features. It includes intuitive navigation, a standby mode to save energy, and password protection to keep your settings safe. The package includes the Y1 station, 120V, the WEP70 tip retainer, the WEP70 iron, the PH70 safety rest with sponge, and the ETA tip, 0.062-inch 1.6mm screwdriver. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This YIHUA soldering station offers a powerful 70W output and superior temperature stability, ensuring consistent and reliable results. With its temperature lock and standby mode, it protects both your components and your settings. If you are looking for a professional-grade soldering station with advanced features and safety, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for those who demand precision and efficiency in their work. What people say. It is very well built, easy to use, and has precise temperature control while soldering components. Even the cradle for the soldering iron is made of what appears to be solid die-cast zinc with a durable black powder coating, paint. The second thing I did upon unpacking my Y1010NA was check that it truly pushes 70 watts of heating power to the soldering tip. I measured a total soldering station power consumption of 66 watts. Number 3. YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. Introducing the YIHUA 939D Plus Soldering Station. This is built for those who solder regularly, offering consistent performance for various projects. It's a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. The 939D Plus provides precise temperature control from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The system's intelligence temperature control program monitors and compensates to keep the temp stabilized. This ensures consistent results every time. This soldering station features a built-in transformer for safe operation. The control panel is built with brushed aluminum. The standalone iron stand is also solid metal alloy. You can put it anywhere and organize your workspace in the way you like. Enjoy a clear digital display, automatic handle detection, and smart temperature control. It's easy to switch between degree F and degree C. Effortlessly adjust the temperature with the knob. Choose YIHUA with confidence. You'll receive a 12-month US exclusive manufacturer technical coverage. Professional assistance is available 24/7 on Amazon. This model is designed to operate on 110-127V with a US standard power plug. What we like. This soldering station is built for those who solder regularly, offering high power and enhanced temperature stabilization. The metallic build and heat-resistant design ensure durability and longevity. If you are a professional or someone who needs a reliable soldering station for frequent use, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to withstand heavy use and deliver consistent performance. What people say. They heat up fast and hold heat well. The knob makes adjusting the temperature a snap. External and internal build quality along with performance are excellent for this price range. Both cords seem good quality, heavy, transformer puts out good power, and I really appreciate the simplicity of the temperature control for the attractive blue digital display and activity LED, a no complicated NASA menu to navigate, just a dial control for temperature, a simple button to select C** and F* on the fly, and a calibration option if needed, which I didn't need to touch. Heating time is reasonably fast from cold, and the iron seems to recover well during use with the basic testing I gave it before this review. Number 2. Soldering Iron Kit, 90W110V Digital Soldering Gun. This soldering iron is upgraded to 90W, allowing it to heat up quickly. The adjustable temperature settings range from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, providing flexibility for various projects. The self-backlit LCD display clearly shows the temperature status. This makes it easier to monitor and adjust the settings, ensuring comfortable use in different working conditions. The welding head features 6 ventilation holes for rapid cooling. The handle is made of high-temperature resistant silicone with an ergonomic design, making it suitable for long-term use. It's perfect for soldering circuit boards, electrical repairs, jewelry making, and DIY projects. This kit is ideal for welders, home use, and training purposes. The kit includes a simple holder, solder wire, flux paste, and soldering iron tips. It provides everything you need, eliminating the need to purchase extra items and simplifying your work. What we like. This soldering iron features a 90W high power output for quick heating and efficient soldering. The clear LCD display makes it easy to monitor the temperature, and the ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during long projects. If you like a soldering iron that combines power, ease of use, and comfort, you should consider this. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. What people say. The soldering iron heats up quickly. It has a good selection of tips. The temperature control is accurate. Number 1. Berkling BSG 568-3IN1 Soldering Iron. This is a versatile tool that can be used as a soldering iron, heat gun, and mini torch. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from soldering wires to crafting jewelry. It makes your work easier. Powered by butane gas, you can take it anywhere without being tied to an outlet. It refills quickly and provides up to 90 minutes of use. Remember to use premium butane fuel for the best performance. Start your projects immediately with the self-ignition feature. No more waiting or fumbling, it ignites in seconds. This is ideal for tasks requiring precision, like heat shrink tubing. Take control of your projects with the adjustable flame intensity. Fine-tune the heat output for precise results. Whether it's delicate soldering or demanding heat shrinking, it ensures flawless results. Experience unmatched convenience with its portability. It fits easily into your toolbox, perfect for fieldwork or DIY projects. Take it anywhere with ease. The package includes the soldering iron, 2 conical tips, and a mini wrench. You can also expand your toolkit with additional soldering options available separately. For optimal results, use pure butane fuels like Zippo and Ronson. Remember, the butane fuel is not included. What we like. This soldering iron is cordless and powered by butane gas, offering unmatched portability and convenience. With its adjustable flame intensity, you can fine-tune the heat output for any task. If you are looking for a versatile and portable soldering solution for fieldwork or on-the-go repairs, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to keep up with your needs, no matter where you are. What people say. It's actually very useful and convenient, and I've found myself reaching for it for times where I would have begrudgingly pulled out the extension cord and plugged in my desktop soldering iron for times I was soldering off of a workbench. 1. One-handed operation. Slide the switch, click to ignite and you're off. Very easy to operate with one hand, and it fires on the first click every single time. 2. Ergonomics. Holding the device like a pen or pencil makes much more sense and feels much more natural in my hand, resulting in better solder joints and better overall experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.